This dazzling world of the 21st century, what we call modern civilization, behind every pulse of it, an invisible force is at work. From the outside, what we see is glass, iron, and concrete, but inside flows an electrical bloodstream. No, this is not oil, the force that caused rivers of blood in the 20th century. No, this is not gold, the ancient standard of civilization. This is the semiconductor chip. Smaller than a human fingernail, yet its power is greater than the Himalayas. When billions of transistors are etched onto an ultra-thin layer of silicon, a synthetic brain is born. This is not just an electronic component. This is now the new language of power. This is now a tool that can change the map of the world. In today's world, whoever possesses advanced chip-making technology is the one who truly rules the world. In the 20th century, the country that controlled oil fields was the one that shaped destiny. In today's digital world, that position has been taken over by these tiny silicon chips. Look around you. The smartphone in your hand, without which you cannot live even a moment. The AC in your home, your smart TV, even the electric cars on the road. From life support machines in our healthcare system to satellites orbiting in space, everything is surviving on the mercy of this 1-inch chip. Without chips, our present life would return to a dark age in a single moment. We have become so dependent on chips that it can be called silicon addiction. And at the center of this unbelievable power lies a small piece of land in the Pacific Ocean, Taiwan. It may be small in geographical size, but on the technological map, it is the capital of the world. The majority of the world's semiconductor production and nearly 90% of the most advanced chips, 5 nanometers or below, come from here. The entire world today is betting on the factories of this one island. And the name of that factory? TSMC. TSMC is not just a company, it is the pinnacle of human engineering. Where they are producing chips at 3 nanometers or even smaller, superpowers like the United States and China are still struggling to match them. From Apple to Nvidia, AMD to Intel, everyone stands in line at the doors of TSMC. One mistake, or even one day of halted production, means trillions and trillions of dollars lost from the global market. Politicians call this the Silicon Shield. It is a strange kind of protection. China has long claimed Taiwan, but this chip industry is what protects it. China knows a major war in Taiwan means destroying its own chip supply, which would push its economy back by 50 years. On the other hand, the United States knows losing Taiwan means losing its military and technological superiority forever. Because of this one chip, the triggers of massive missiles remain frozen. But is peace permanent? Behind the scenes, a terrifying tech Cold War has already begun. This is not a traditional war. This is a war of intelligence and intellectual property. The United States wants to ensure that advanced chip-making tools do not reach China, especially the famous EUV machines from the Netherlands-based company ASML, without which modern chips cannot be made, have been restricted for China. The goal of the United States is clear: to push China behind in this technological race. Because they know whoever holds advanced AI chips will win the battlefields of the future. On the other side, China is not sitting still. They are pouring hundreds of billions of dollars into building their own chip industry. Their goal? Self-reliance. And if they succeed, will Taiwan's Silicon Shield still remain effective? If China no longer needs to depend on anyone, will it become more aggressive? Meanwhile, the United States is also afraid. They have realized that producing all chips in one place is risky. So they passed the CHIPS Act to build factories on their own soil. But chip making is not magic. It is decades of continuous perfection, something that cannot be relocated overnight. Now imagine, one day, a war actually breaks out in the Taiwan Strait. You wake up in the morning and see your phone is not working. Data centers are shut down. Bank ATMs are not giving money. Hospital machines are useless. Global stock markets are collapsing like a house of cards. This is not a Hollywood movie. We are standing today on such a fragile system where the loss of peace on one small island can freeze the entire world. Semiconductors are not just technology. This is power. This is control. This is the destiny of the future. China versus United States. This chip war is actually a battle for supremacy. Who will control artificial intelligence? Who will hold the keys to the digital world? Because the one who controls this tiny chip will control the future of human history. And the final question is for you. In this digital war, are we just spectators? Or is our future also entangled within the layers of this tiny silicon world?
If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Axiom Docs channel to support us. Thank you, everyone.